Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your browser and going straight to Settings. This gets you where Incognito controls live. Once there, locate Privacy or Private Browsing. Use the search box if the menu is dense. Make sure your browser is updated, because older versions hide features. You need to find the section that mentions Incognito, Private, or Tracking so you can change how new private windows behave. Now click into that subsection and prepare to toggle or configure options for sessions and site data. Now you adjust the detailed settings, toggle private browsing permissions, and decide whether Incognito windows should open by default or require manual launch. Once done, configure site data policies. Choose to clear on exit, block third-party cookies, or add site exceptions. Make sure to check extension behavior. Many extensions are disabled in private mode by default, so enable only trusted ones. Also verify saved passwords and form autofill are disabled in Incognito. Finish by opening a new private window and testing the settings. Visit a site and close the window to confirm data is not retained. If you still see history or saved data, clear cache and cookies, then reset privacy settings to defaults and repeat the test. Make sure to check extensions, disable them all, then re-enable one at a time to spot any that leak data. If problems continue, update the browser or create a fresh profile. That often resolves stubborn configuration or profile corruption issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.